Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holly Jolly July video. Today I have a really festive shadow box for you. This is my Happy Holidays shadow box. How fun is this design? You have all of those pretty stars and that really nice border. On the inside there it says Happy Holidays. You have Santa and his reindeer going through the sky and some fun snowflakes there as well. This one's really easy to put together, although there are some intricate cuts, just to be aware before we get started. So make sure that you use your intricate cut settings and really prepare your mats really well for this project. There's just a few layers that have those intricate cuts, so just be aware when we're going forward. I can't wait to show this one to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get into those materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, your shadow box, foam squares if you want to add dimension between the different layers, and then your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Holly Jolly July 2026. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the buttons to download the cut file on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file from my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass in the description box below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that our project has been brought into our canvas. Now I've sized this design to fit within the inner dimensions of the shadow box that I'll be using, which is 6.5 by 6.5 inches. If you're going to be using this project in a card or a different project, you can go ahead and use the sizing window right here to change the size of the project. Just make sure to leave the proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. I'm going to go ahead and click Make, and you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, I've gotten everything all cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now, we do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the lighter yellow, golden yellow, red, dark green, and then the lighter green. You can add foam squares behind each layer if you wish. I'm just going to layer everything together in the shadow box, so I'll go ahead and grab that now. I went ahead and added the little pins here into the backing piece. I'm going to set that to the side. And now I'm just going to go ahead and start to layer up the shadow box. I will add the backing piece and close up the shadow box. And there we go. Our shadow box is all set. What did you think of this one? I really think this would be really cool on a card, or if you use those foam squares to add some dimension. Just some really good depth could be created with this project. I hope that you like it. If you make this project, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Holly Jolly July video. Bye-bye.